This video is sponsored by Tree of Life Adria. It's an RPG game from Old One Games company. This game is basically a survival game like others, but in this game it has something different. In Tree of Life Adria, you will find various leaders. From them, you can know about the jungle and make changes in your character. For your survival, you will find various weapons, kits and foods. You can view them in your storage section. For your guidance and path, you will find Guide Firefly. In Tree of Life Adria, there are various enemies. By defeating them, you will get food or items. There are more like difficult enemies, rare weapons, skill develop, even you can make a trade in the jungle. Tree of Life Adria will be released in the first quarter of 2021. Steam demo version download link in the video description. Go and check it out. The Measure King is a Train 1 toolkit. The Measure King has a roll mode. It can measure curves. The Measure King has a digital digit display that will show you the accurate digit of your measurement. The second feature is Flex Cord. The Flex Cord is an easy access for your round objects. The Flex Cord can be used on any object that is rounded. For your time saving, the Measure King has a laser option. You just simply point the laser in an object and your distance will be measured instantly. The Measure King is for everyone. You can use it anywhere you need. Having too many tools at a time for a single hanging measurement is hard. The Hang-O-Matic is all in one single toolkit. Simply measure your object and find where you want to hang. Level the Hang-O-Matic at your chosen height and firmly press the both end and mark the location. Step 3. Use nail, screw, or whatever you want to hang in the wall. The Hang-O-Matic is easy to use for your work. Hoses are very important for many works, but you are tired with hassle of tangles, sick of those annoying kinks and fighting with your heavy hose. Flexzilla brings the solution in one. Flexzilla is 100% kink-free hose, durable, flexible, lightweight and indestructible. Traditional hoses are made with heavy inflexible rubber or vinyl, but Flexzilla is made with flexible hybrid polymer that gives super strength and flexibility. Flexzilla is not like those cheap hoses that tangle, burst and leak. Flexzilla has leak-free swivel grips that is so easy to use and can be attached to any grips. Being a professional electrician, you need all kinds of tools with you. Big Town from Knipex is a tool case with extensive range of tools. Big Twin is bold with ABS hard shell and aluminum frame. 2 metal flip blocks each for fastening the cover and the base. For comfort and security, Big Twin has ergonomic carrying handle, labeling panel, and 3-digit combination lock. The case has a large Knipex logo and 2 deposit recesses on the case cover. The case has all opening position with independently opening option, also and a base tray that can be removed. The Big Twin is equipped with high-grade 63 brand name tools. According to your need, you can find your tool for every use. Stable metal hinges to set the opening angle. You can separate your tools by individual deviation. It can take max load of 25 kg or 44 liters, and the case is also available without equipment.
Mm-hmm.